Hey guys, the original Math Ninja here, and today we are adding integers. So we're going to be adding integers to see exactly how we can utilize a number line to make sure that we can add positive and negative whole numbers. Positive and negative whole numbers are known as integers. So let's take a look and see exactly how we can do this. Let's do the first problem together. We have 3 plus 3. Okay, so we're going to utilize the number line, and we always start at 0 because 0 is the origin. So I'm going to actually start at 0, and I'm going to draw an arrow going 3 spaces. I should be thinking, am I moving to the right or am I moving to the left? Well, if I'm moving in a positive direction, I want to go more towards a more positive way. So that's going to be to the right. So I'm going to move to the right 1, 2, 3 spaces, and I'm at my first number, which is 3. Now I'm going to add another 3 to that, but am I starting back at 0? No, I'm not, because I'm already at 3. So where I'm going to start is where I just ended off at. So I ended off at 3. Now I'm going to add 3 more to that 3. So I'm going to start at 3 with my next arrow, and I'm adding 1, 2, 3 more spaces. To the right or to the left? Well, I'm adding positive 3, so I'm going to move 3 more spaces in the positive direction. I'm adding more value, so that's to the right. Now, I can see that I ended up here at 6. So 3 plus 3 is 6. Let's do another problem. We have 3 plus 5. I'm thinking, where should I start? Well, on my number line, I should start at, that's right, the origin. I should start at 0, and I'm going to move, well, it's 3 plus 5. I'm starting at 3, so I have to go from 0 to 1, 2, 3 spaces. So I move 3 spaces to the right because I'm adding positive 3. So I'm here with positive 3. Now I'm adding 5 more to that positive 3. So I'm going to start at positive 3, and I'm thinking, am I moving to the right or to the left? Well, I'm adding positive 5, so that means I'm going to move positive 5 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces to the right. And that's going to leave me here at 8. So I know that 3 plus 5, that's going to give me 8. Let's do some negative numbers. This one, let's really think about this. I know I'm starting at, yeah, that's right. I'm starting at 0. So I know I'm starting at 0, and I'm going to move, am I moving to the right or to the left? Well, seems like I'm going in a negative direction, so I want to go more towards where there's more negative value. So I'm going to move how many spaces? Well, it's negative 3, so I'm going to move 3 spaces to the, that's right, to the left. So I'm moving 1, 2, 3 spaces to the left. Great. So now I'm here at negative 3, and I'm adding a negative 3. I'm adding a negative 3. So is my value getting more positive or more negative? Well, that's going to just make me decide if I'm going to the left or to the right. If I'm getting more negative, I have to get more towards the negative numbers. Those negative numbers are going to the left, so I'm going to move, that's right, 3 spaces to the left. That's right. So I'm moving 3 spaces, 1, 2, 3, to the left, and I'm here at negative 6. Okay, so now let's do one last problem. We have negative 3 plus negative 5. All right, so I'm just going to start at the origin, that's right, and I'm going to negative 3. So I'm moving to the left or to the right? Well, to get to negative 3, I have to move to the, that's right, I got to move to the left. So I'm going to move 1, 2, 3 spaces to the left, and then I'm adding negative 5. So I'm thinking, am I moving to the right or to the left to get more negative, to add more negative value? Well, the more negative I get, I'm going to have to move to the, that's right, I got to move to the left. So I'm moving 5 spaces to the left. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and I'm here at -8. Great. So I'm here at -8, and now I know that -3 plus -5 is going to give me -8. And we just added positive and negative integers. Okay, so I hope you guys got value and you guys understand exactly how to add integers now. Integers are positive and negative whole numbers that can be added together, and you can use a number line to help you out. Okay, so guys, I will see you on the next video and continue to learn.